Okay, guys, this one will be about 4 and 6 markers in A-level questions. So don't always focus on the 20 markers and 12 markers. There are some short answer questions too, which are really important and add up if you don't get the marks right. So a 4 marker, very simply, is normally about a process or a key definition. So describe a storm surge, for example. And I would say my best tip for a 4 marker is that you write 4 sentences really. Normally a definition, an explanation about why something happens with a bit of detail. Try and order it as in 4 steps, if you will, and then you get 4 marks. Very simple, obviously, as long as you answer the question properly. And a 6 marker can vary, but it's usually an assess or analyze question. So assess would be to look at different points of view, maybe 3 marks for one side and 3 marks for the other. Or analyze, you haven't got to look at an explanation necessarily, but there may be some questions in maths like Spearman's rank or graphs you have to interpret and analyze the data. So maybe not saying what that means, but just saying what the data stands for, and also and what the data means in terms of numerically. So if you get a question that says analyze, you haven't got to say necessarily about why that might have happened, just what has happened. So comment on the Spearman's rank, comment on the rating that something is given. In a question that depends on maths, you will need a calculator, of course. But again, for that kind of question, 6 marks, you are looking at a couple of paragraphs for that answer. Okay?